打波啊等等嘅一啲嘅問題，睇下你哋識唔識答咯喎。Okay, so we'll ask your question to our kids and let's see if they can get the right answer. First of all, how many hours do you think that Jeremy Lin spend in basketball training every day? 你覺得佢哋每一日林書豪會用幾多個小時係去做籃球嘅訓練咧？誒，好
6 hours.
3. You can ask them. Is it 3 or 4? 4. Is it correct? 4?
Anywhere between 3 to 5 hours.
Okay. 3至5個小時，每日 every day 3 to 5 hours consistently.
Yeah, 6 times a week.
Okay. 咁啊，當然啦，我哋問題啱咗啦，3至5個鐘裏邊係4個鐘。咁啊，其實咧問佢究竟係訓練嘅時候做咩，就係想咧，其實係希望咧俾阿林書豪示範下，究竟平常練啲咩嘅咧？ Well, of course, you spend 3 to 5 hours training every day. What do you usually train? Can you show us, please? I don't know, it's a little bit, but yeah, you can showcase a little bit and see what you train normally every day.
I'll just do what we normally warm up with a little ball handling.
Oh, okay.
So we just
係啦，平常多數都係用控球嘅練習。
That's all. That's all I'm going to show today. But I'm going to throw this ball out to the crowd.
Oh! Wow! 冷靜啊 ，good. Wow! Congratulations! 咁啊，完全係特別嘅安排啊 ！Good gift for our kids. So 喂，你哋頭先睇到林書豪點做啦，咁啊平常你哋都可以啊，如果你哋有打籃球嘅話，可以去練習下。跟住落嚟下一個問題啦，就係問下究竟林書豪嗱平常佢除咗打波之外啦，咁當然啦 NBA 球員好多嘢咧要去健身嘅，究竟佢會通常要用幾多時間去健身咧？你哋會唔會知咧？我用英文問佢先 ，OK？How many hours will Jeremy Lin spend in weight or gym training every day? Who got answers? 又係你 ，OK？ 我試下你呢個先。What's your answer? 2? Is it 2 hours every day?
It's a little closer to an hour and a half.
2 hours too tough, right?
An hour. I think every once in a while I'll hit 2 hours. So.
Okay, we'll say 2 hours. But how heavy usually you can take every time?
It depends what exercise.
Weightlifting maybe? How heavy you can go? Usually how
I usually never go to my heaviest, but if I did, it would probably about 260 to 300. 260. It depends on the exercise, but I might be able to get 250 to 300 pounds on an exercise. But
每日舉2個鐘，約莫係舉250到260 to close to 300.
But it's really rare that I go that heavy. Normally I a lot lighter.
哇，260到300磅，每日2個鐘。如果咁嘅話 ，OK，let me try。你講中文係咪？你講英文啊？咩都得啊？I asked if you can speak English or Chinese, we'll go English then. How much do you weigh? Do you know? 幾重啊你？Heavier than 唔使驚喎，你幾重到啊？54 pounds. 54 pounds. Maybe. It's not bad. How much you weigh? You forgot. 哎呀，你唔記得咗啊 ？So Jeremy, I want you to give me a try and see if you can hold it up. Just give it a try and see how much he weighs that you can expect. Is it really 50 pounds too light, right? How about him? Let's help him a little bit and figure out how much he weighs. About the same? Wow, that's good. 咁啊，其實你見到啦，佢將嚟，因為見到林書豪平常已經舉慣重啊，佢啲50-60磅嘅易如反掌啊，咁啊記住下次要放重啊 ，remember you have to get your weight, remember your weight next time, OK？ 咁好啦，跟住落嚟下一個問題啦，咁啊我哋問下阿林書豪，大家估下啦，究竟佢嘅 圍有幾闊咧？What's the measurement of his waist? You know it, right? Of course you know. Take a wild guess， 大家估下。呢位小妹妹估下，你覺得林書豪腰圍有幾粗咧？唔使驚㗎，唔使驚㗎 ，Don't be afraid. He won't bite you。係啊，佢唔會鬧你，你放心。你估佢腰圍幾多寸咧？唔知啊。哦 ，OK， don't worry，don't be scared。大家會唔會想估下？你想估下？你覺得自己嘅 size 同佢差唔多？You want maybe similar size compared to you? And 36. 36, yeah, maybe after accommodation in Hong Kong， 可能喺香港幾日之後36寸。Is it really true? 36.
I think I'm 32 to 34.
32, 34. Do we have a measurement that we can get? 32 to 34? You want to take a wild guess as well?
Maybe 50.
Thank you.
50 is your weight, but maybe let's, okay. We got the measurement there. Let the little girl do it for you. 你幫我哋試下，幫我林書豪度下。係啊，唔使攬佢埋嘅喎。OK， 你幫佢度下先。Let's see how much inches he gained in these 2 days in Hong Kong. 32 to 34 maybe. Is it keeping close? Yes. Great food in Hong Kong. Actually, do you want me to reveal? Oh, actually, 幾多啊？你見到幾多啊？34、5到啦，條褲今日厚咗少少啫，係啦。Maybe just the trousers a little bit thick today, the jeans. So it's about close answer. 36 is too much. Maybe after 2 days after, maybe he'll get to 36 for the kind of food that he's eating right now, the volume of food. 咁啊，知道其實咧林書豪腰圍32到34到嘅啫。今日可能香港啲美食比較豐富啊，豐富咗1寸到嘅啫。咁啊，但係好啦，跟住落嚟咧，我哋就要我哋工作人員去攞我哋啲道具出嚟咯喎。跟住下一個問題咧，我哋就要問下大家估下，嗱，林書豪嘅腰圍係32到34啦，但係估下啦。林書豪隻腳有幾大咧 ？How big is his feet? Okay, this is 3 shoes right here. US number, US 10, 11, and 12. 你放下嘅10號、11號、12號。嗱，你哋望下先，你入邊你又望下佢哋腳，你估下佢約摸幾大到咧？哇，自己度啊！你可以度下㗎。大家平排去度下佢哋腳啊！嚟一齊度下，估下。係啦，你覺得邊一隻係啱你就攞嚟啦。你12號啊，呢隻 OK 一齊攞住係啦，你攞去度下，睇下係咪 ？This is US 12 12號尾碼嘅，係咪啊？差唔多啊應該。So 12 is your answer, okay? So Jeremy, how big is your feet?
Size 12.
Size 12. Good guess. 估得非常之好啊！哇，12號其實。對於佢嚟講 ，Do you think you have a big feet or comparatively actually is small?
Depends who I compare it to. If it's my family or Asians, it's usually bigger. If it's my teammates, it's usually smaller.
OK. 咁啊，佢喺屋企嚟講係大腳8啊，但係對於嗰啲隊友嚟講咧，其實佢哋腳都仲係好細嘅啫。咁啊，跟住啦，就想我哋揾一位嘅小朋友幫手度下，睇下究竟你覺得咧，林書豪。佢個手掌啊係有幾闊喎？你睇下，平常大家見到佢成日控頭啊，咁容易，不如你去度下啦。小妹妹，你舉高隻手掌 ，Let's measure how big。呢度估下呢度擘大咗，由拇指到尾指嗰度有幾多 cm 長啊？你估下。頭先我哋個尺係咪仲喺度啊？喺度嘅 ，OK。好，你估下，嗱，你自己嗱，你而家試下自己度下，嗱，你自己咧。就約我，你睇下，嗱，你呢度咧就約我4寸到5寸，咁你估下林書豪哥哥隻手有幾大咧？10 inches big。其實如果你睇飛 try measure 係啦，你睇下你而家用個寸喺嗰度度下，睇下佢有冇10寸咁大先。哇10寸10 inches big with his palm. A It's 8. It's the length. Well, we'll try the width here. How big is it? Is it 10? No. It's only 9, right? 其實原來林書豪哥哥隻手掌拉遠咗咧，就有9寸咁大。話到唔係好大啫喎，但係控球嚟講，希望我有啲幫手啊。9 inches big, so we didn't get a right answer. But I think next question we can get a better answer. Okay, let's step forward a little bit，係啦，企前啲，唔使擔心嚇。OK。Next question will be easier，下一條會好容易嘅啫。We have 3 types of food right here prepared for Jeremy. Yes, food again. 好啦，我哋揾到有啲美食俾阿林書豪。Let's clean your mouth first because we have 3 types of food. Even though Jeremy Lin said he likes a lot of food, but would you guys be able to pick his most favorite type of food? Okay? 你大家估下啦，3樣嘅食物包括咗有漢堡。